What's up, Mixonites? Nathen Mixon here, and you already know I'm all about testing out the latest gear that keeps us moving stronger, faster, and smarter. I've partnered with EVBASE, so if you're looking to upgrade your Tesla, don't forget you can support me and save money by using my code Nathen Mixon at checkout. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below and let me know if I hit all the angles with this spoiler today. Alright, I'm just gonna say it. Your Tesla, it looks good, but it could always look better. It don't have to be plain Jane in the back. Personally, I think without the spoiler, it is definitely missing the edge. I couldn't stand it, so I upgraded with a spoiler a couple of times. Here's the thing, everyone. I'm not knocking the Tesla who doesn't have a spoiler. I'm just saying it comes off a little bit plain, a little bit too basic, a little bit demure. Is that the right word for that? I personally wanted something that wasn't for show, something that actually worked with my car. The problem is the market is full of cheap ABS carbon fiber knockoffs. Don't get me wrong, they look flashy for a hot second, then they peel, fade, or fall off, and I don't want you to waste money. I don't want to make money like that. So in this video, EVBASE provided a real carbon fiber spoiler. Because if I'm putting something on my ride, it has to be the real deal. This isn't some flimsy plastic piece. It's 100% dry carbon fiber. Strong, lightweight, premium, straight up changes the vibe of my car instantly. Mind you, this isn't just a flex, it actually helps the car. Spoilers are good for the car. Spoiler alert, spoilers are good for your car. The spoiler cuts down on drag, reduces wind resistance, and keeps the car stable at speeds. And trust me, you'll feel it. Freeway driving, if you're going at top speeds, it's easy to change lanes, it's easy to drive down the road, you don't feel any rumbles, anything like that. You do feel it a little bit depending on how fast you're going, but it does keep your car stable, give you more confidence on the road. The fit, it is spot on. Design 1-to-1 for the Model 3 and Model Y, no weird gaps, no sliding around. Hundreds of test fits went into this thing, so when you slap it on, it looks factory made, but better. The star of the show is the red line on the spoiler that actually makes it stand out. I think it's a sick addition and I believe it looks good on any color, even my custom wrap. It literally screams detente, y mire mi trasero. The install is super easy. In this glorious box, you're gonna get a few things. Some foam, and in that foam, you're gonna get some directions, of course. You're gonna get, what else you got in here? Some recognition tape. You're gonna get some double-sided tape. Can't get enough of that. We're gonna get some masking tape, and that's about it. And then you're gonna have the spoiler itself. So the spoiler is gonna look just like that, kind of showed you earlier. The first thing you wanna do is line it up on your vehicle. I kind of eyeballed it. You can do it too as well. It works the same. From there, you're gonna tape it on there. So you're not gonna pull off the tape. You're just gonna tape it on there with the masking tape. This is gonna help you center it. Once you got that done, you're going to use your recognition tape to kind of figure out where the edge is going to be. Now, once you got everything in place, take it off and clean it with some rubbing alcohol and a dry, what you call a not a Microsoft towel, but a microfiber towel. There you go. Make sure it's dry before you start putting on the spoiler too as well. Peel off the red tape off the spoiler, but don't peel it off all the way. Do the same for both sides. Alright, so once you have that off, place the spoiler on his marking section and then peel that tape off nice and easy. Don't put too much pressure on it because you want to break the tape in half. So once you get it off, push it as hard as you can, but don't push your car to the other side. I know you guys have been working out, so don't push it too hard, but make sure it's lined up correctly. Once you're happy with that, you're going to take your masking tape and you're going to tape down the spoiler, okay? Make sure it's in there nice and tight. And you're going to do this for the rest of the car. Tape it all the way down until you get to the edge of it. Get those edges really good. Hold it down with some tape for a few hours, and as a mixed tip, I would suggest doing this at the end of your day, and also to check the weather because you don't want to get it wet the next day. And boom, you're done. No tools, no drilling, just quick, clean, and solid. It literally grabs the attention of cars behind you because it just hits different. So if you're like me and you don't want to set up for the fake knockoffs, make sure you check out EVBASE. I'm going to leave everything in the description, including a link to get you directly to the spoiler. Make sure you use my code Nathen Mixon at checkout. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will flex with you later. Peace.